Message of the day in English: make yourself strong. Be brave and face the world. Knowledge is like a treasure. Don't waste your time. Educate yourself if you want to change the world. There's nothing more valuable than time. Success is the result of your repeated efforts. Work hard for the things that matter to you. Motivate yourself and work hard. Don't lose hope due to failures. Your words are the reflection of your soul. Embrace your mistakes with courage. The more you struggle, the more you will be rewarded. Never quit. Gratitude is the foundation of happiness. Never waste your time. Don't waste your life. Don't get disheartened because of a bad day. Never let go of your self-respect. Attitude is more important than anything. The beginning is never easy. Never allow anyone to degrade you. Happiness is the result of your actions. Be smart and speak less. Education is your true power. Go and get your share of success. Try it at least once before quitting. Hard work brings good luck. Never forget the lessons learned from your mistakes. Never talk down upon yourself.